Hello my friends, you are on RTSR channel. In this video we are going to speak about YouTube. I'm going to tell you how to make video public on YouTube. It's easy and simple. Like and subscribe to my channel. Let's go open YouTube. Then tap on profile icon. View channel. Find video you need, then tap on three dots. Next tap on edit, find visibility, tap here, select public. Good. Save. Okay, you did it. It was easy and simple. Thanks for watching. If I made a mistake somewhere, please write in the comments, like and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my playlist on this topic. Wish you best. Bye bye.